Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, stands before you with the topic Confederation, its meaning and how it is different from Federation. This is found in +3 4th semester paper number 8, and the name of the paper is Political Process and Institutions in Comparative Perspectives. Before I discuss what is Confederation and how it is different from Federation, I want to inform my viewers that name of my channel is @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375, where you will find videos of political science honors from +3 1st semester to 6th semester, ethics and values from +3 1st semester to 4th semester, general elective of +3 1st semester to 2nd semester, environmental studies of +3 1st semester, and many political science videos of +3 1st semester, +2 first year to +2 second year. Let us start. What is Confederation and how it is different from Federation? In the process of governance, Confederation is a very popular concept. Though it seems to be same with Federation, it is totally different from Federation. In the sphere of governance, in the sphere of governmental system, Confederation is a very important concept. Though it seems to be same with Federation, but it is totally different from Federation. So, what is Confederation? Meaning of Confederation. A confederation means when some independent nations make an agreement which is an international agreement or treaty to achieve some object and form an organization by giving it some power, and they have power to withdraw from the organization at any time. It is a confederation. So, confederation means when some independent nations by an international agreement form an organization to achieve an object, and they delegate some power to the organization, and they can withdraw from the organization at any time they like, is known as confederation. So, what is a confederation? Confederation means when some independent nations by an agreement or treaty form an organization. Why? To achieve an object, and they delegate some power to the organization, and after the achievement of the object, the confederation is no more found, and from the confederation, its members can withdraw at any time. It is known as confederation. So we are clear about the meaning of confederation. Now discuss features of confederation. What features confederation has? A confederation is an association of independent nations, not states. The first feature of confederation is that a confederation is an association of independent nations. It is not an association of states. The first feature of confederation is that a confederation is an association of independent nations and not states. A confederation is an association of independent nations, not states. Number 2, it is formed by agreement or treaty among independent nations, which is an international treaty or agreement. A confederation is formed by a treaty or agreement which is an international agreement, because when sovereign nations will form a confederation, definitely it is an international treaty or agreement. Number 3, it is formed to secure an object. A confederation is formed to secure an object or purpose. Or 4, representatives of member of nations work together. In the confederation, it is an association of independent nations. Every nation will send representative. So these representatives will work together to achieve the object. Number 5, these representatives represent the interest of their nations. Every nation will send a representative to confederation. These representatives represent interest of their nation. Number 6, member nations retain their sovereignty even if they form the treaty. No doubt, member nations form the confederation, but they will retain their sovereignty. They will maintain their identity. They will not merge in the confederation totally. They will retain, they will maintain their independent status. 7, member nations can withdraw from confederation at any time. Another feature of confederation is that its members can withdraw from the confederation at any time. 8, after achievement of object, it comes to an end. After the achievement of the confederation, after the achievement of the object of the confederation, confederation is not found anymore. 9, confederation is temporary because confederation is formed to form an object. After the achievement of the object, confederation is no more found. So it is temporary. 10, it has no constitution. A confederation has no constitution. It works on the basis of treaty or agreement. Finally, 11, it functions with limited power, and that too with delegate power. A confederation works with limited power, and that too some delegate powers, because nations delegate some power to confederation. Nations delegate or give some power to the organization of confederation, and the confederation will work within that delegated power. So it has limited power. So we are clear about the meaning of confederation and its features. But according to Professor Hall, H-A-L-L Hall, what is a confederation? He has given a nice definition. According to Hall, a confederation is a union strictly of independent nations. A confederation is an union strictly of independent nations which consent to forego a part of their liberty of action for certain specific objectives. So, according to Professor Hall, a confederation means it is an union of independent nations who are prepared to forego or to give some powers to the confederation for the achievement of the object. A confederation is an union strictly of independent nations which consent to forego a part of their liberty of action for certain specific objectives. So a confederation means it is strictly an association of union of independent nations. A confederation is strictly an union of independent nations who forego some of their liberty of actions to achieve an object. So we are clear about the meaning of confederation, features of confederation, and definition of Professor Hall about confederation. Now discuss how confederation is different from federation. Difference between confederation and federation. Number 1, a confederation is formed by independent nations, but a federation is formed by states. The first difference between confederation and federation is that a confederation is formed by independent nations, but a federation is formed by states. Number 2, a confederation has no constitution, but a federation has a constitution. A confederation has no constitution. It works on the basis of treaty. But a federation has constitution, and federation works with the help of constitution. Number 3, confederation is temporary, but federation is permanent. Another difference between confederation and federation is that confederation is temporary. Federation is permanent. 4. Members of Confederation can withdraw from it at any time. But from Federation, its members cannot withdraw. From the Confederation, its members can withdraw at any time. But from Federation, its members, states, cannot withdraw. Then, 5. Members of the Confederation retain their identity, but it is not found in Federation. In the Confederation, though there are many members, but the members maintain their identity. They will not lose their identity. But in the Federation, its member states will lose their identity. 6. Right to secession is found in Confederation, not Federation. Members of Confederation can make them separate from Confederation at any time. But members of Federation cannot make them separate from Federation. So the right to secession is found in Confederation, but the right to secession is not found in Federation. Then 7. Confederation works with limited power, but Federation works with full power. A Confederation works with limited power, but a Federation works with full power. Finally, Confederation works with delegated power, but Federation works with original power. A Confederation works with delegated power because nations have given some power to the Confederation. But Federation works with original power. A Confederation works with delegated power, but a Federation works with original power. So in this video I have discussed meaning of Confederation and how it is different from Federation. I request my viewers to subscribe my channel and aware of your friends about this channel, so some students will be benefited. Be sure that your help will not go in vain. A single help to anybody, it is a service to human beings. Service to human beings is a service to God. Thank you. Have a nice day.